So we're gonna make a video about the rain.
That's
Look
hard.
out there. It's fast flooding outside. My little sister was crying.
And I'm Jade. I'm Jade.
And I'm Ethan. Now, it might be mostly cloudy with a chance of hail,
I mean him.
rain,
Yeah.
and thunder.
Yeah.
So, disconnect everything that has a cord.
Yeah.
What else?
Yeah.
I don't know.
No.
Don't stand under a tree if you're watching this outside.
Yep.
And don't use your cell phone. Or the old cell phones.
They might get
Struck by lightning.
yeah.
And don't get to the big puddles.
Yeah.
And don't stand where lightning struck because it could strike twice.
Yeah. And
Okay. Guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Bye.